Hey there! You know, one of the things I really appreciate from going through culinary school is learning the basic mechanics of creating a good sauce. Now, part of those mechanics includes having an acid, a fat, salt, and then some other sweet or savory component. Today, I'm going to make for you a spicy peanut sauce. And for my fat component, I'm going to have peanut butter as well as light coconut milk. For my acid, I'll be using fresh squeezed lime juice. Obviously, I'll be using some salt. And then for my other flavor ingredient, I'll be using a garlic chili sauce as well as ginger. All of this is going to make a fantastic spicy peanut sauce. Let's go into the kitchen. I'm going to show you how to put this all together. Hey, welcome to my kitchen. Here's my mise en place. I have the light coconut milk, my Great Northern beans, nutritional yeast, my peanut butter, salt, fresh lime, red curry paste, ground ginger, and this is very fresh because I just opened it, so it'll be very flavorful. I have Bragg's liquid aminos. This is a non-fermented form of soy sauce that's also gluten-free, and some chili garlic sauce. I can't believe I've gone through this bottle. It provides a nice spicy kick, and that's what I'll be using in the recipe. And there you have it. It's all ready to go. Let's start to combine. I'm going to first add the creamy, unsweetened organic peanut butter. You could use crunchy peanut butter. That'll work just fine. Then let's add the light coconut milk. The beans will help thicken the sauce. Then the nutritional yeast. I'm going to add the Bragg's liquid aminos. This will give a bit of saltiness as well as added flavor. The red curry paste also will provide some color as well as flavor. I've already added the garlic chili sauce in there. You just didn't see it. And then I have the fresh ginger that's been ground. That also gives a really nice flavor. And then lastly, the fresh squeezed lime juice. This also gives a bit of brightness to the sauce. But it all combines very nicely with the peanut butter and the ginger and the coconut milk. Lastly, a couple pinches of salt. And you can salt to taste. Then let's put it in the blender, blend for about 20 seconds or so. And it's ready to plate. I have some steamed butternut squash, cauliflower, broccoli, and brown rice. I've combined some of the peanut sauce with it already, with the veggies, and then I'm just putting a little bit of extra peanut sauce on top. Now you could add about a tablespoon of hot water to thin this if you needed. I'm also sprinkling a little fresh peanuts on top. What's really nice about this peanut sauce is that you get the distinct flavors of the lime, the ginger, the peanut butter, and the coconut milk, but it all complements each other really nice. Here's the recipe, and enjoy. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you share and subscribe, and check out my other videos at the Plant-Based Scratch Kitchen.